Rock bottom became the solid foundation on which I rebuilt my life. J.K. Rowling. This quote reminds us that hitting the lowest point in life doesn't mean the end. It can actually be the beginning. When everything falls apart, all illusions are stripped away, and what's left is the truth of who we are. That truth becomes the raw material for a new beginning. From rock bottom, there's nowhere to go but up, and in that climb, a man finds clarity, purpose, and strength. The quote speaks to the beauty of rebirth, of starting from nothing and building a life with intention. Pain becomes a cornerstone, not a curse.